Hello, we are looking at checkpoint 2.13 from section 2.3. They want us to evaluate this limit as x approaches -3 of x squared plus 4x plus 3 divided by x squared minus 9. So initially what we would like to do is put in -3 into the function, and so we will see that the numerator will be -3 squared. 3 squared, that's going to be 9, plus 4 times -3, which is going to be -12, plus 3 will make 0. So this is going to be 0 on top, and then this is going to be 3 squared, -3 squared, which is going to be 9, and we're subtracting 9, so that's going to be 0 as well. So this here, let's see, that is called an indeterminate form. We'll dive deeper into solving limits with indeterminate forms later. But for now, what we need to understand is that we don't know yet if the limit exists or if it's going to go to infinity. So what we need to do is we need to some further analysis, or we need to do some algebra to see if we can work this out and simplify it. And so let's label this indeterminate. And then see if we can do some algebra to work this out. And usually what we want to do for rational functions, a polynomial divided by a polynomial, is we want to factor. So let's see if we can factor. The denominator looks like it'll factor. It's a difference of 2 squares. So this is going to be x plus 3, x minus 3. Now let's see what happens to the numerator. So this will be x and x, and it looks like it's just going to be 3 and 1. And now the question is, which one's, well, they're both positive, because they have to multiply to +3, and then they have to add up to 4. And so 3 plus 1 does in fact equal to 4. All right, great. Now we can see that these cancel, and that is actually the factor that makes them both equal to 0, and that's why we get this indeterminate form. So now that they both cancel, we're really just looking for the limit as x approaches -3 of x plus 1 divided by x minus 3. And let's go ahead and put in -3. -3 plus 1 divided by -3 minus 3. So we're going to get -2 for this one and -6. So that's going to be a positive 1/3. And I think that should be your final result. Okay, I hope that helps.